Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, thanks for dropping in. If you're not new, thanks for the continued support. So in today's video, I am going to be setting up my vision board for 2022 using this digital planner. Just to give a little bit about how I got started with this process, I went into Pinterest and I found some pictures that I was able to save, and with the goal of incorporating it into this vision board. This is my first time actually doing a digital vision board, so it took me a little bit of time trying to make sure I placed the pictures in the correct spots that I felt I wanted to put these pictures in. But it was a fun experience. It was also relaxing, so I did enjoy this. But this is going to be the vision board that I envision for 2022 for myself. So first of all, my goal, well, one of my goals is vision is to have a new home, whether it's built or a house that was built and probably the prospective buyers decided they didn't want it. Whichever way, that is something that I truly and visualize having. That would be my ultimate wants for this year. But if not, that's fine. There's always next year. I just don't want to wait too long to do that, because as the older I get, I do not want to excuse me, be indebted to a mortgage. One of the other things that I decided, because what, trying to buy a house and everything within this market, that sometimes can be a little bit annoying. So one of the goals I would try to work on this year is upgrading my bathroom. So that's something that I would want to do. Of course, hubby would be the one doing it, but I'll be the one giving the directions on what I want. But that's something that I would want to do for this year. Also, since the pandemic, my family, we have not been on a vacation. And I would love just to go to the beach this year, this summer. Um, it's well overdue for us. So that's something that I'm asking for to do this year. Hopefully I can. Of course, I would like to get another vehicle, because the vehicle I paid off for 2 years ago is having problems. And sometimes when you start putting money in two vehicles, it's just one problem after another. So the ask or the need would be is to invest into another vehicle. Maybe if it's not by doing a loan or anything like that, but just trying to get another vehicle. So that's something that I would want. Of course, I had to find some type of healthy food. And I just found this picture of this fruit. I want to try to start eating somewhat healthy this year. If you've been following me on my channel for the past couple of years, I have a bad habit of doing takeout food religiously, and so that as we know, that is not healthy. So I'm trying to focus on that this year. Also, trying to incorporate a little bit of exercise. Um, just to be able to get some mobility, because with me now having a full-time work from home, because due to COVID, 2 years ago our job decided to go ahead and just let us be a full-time remote position. And so I tend to be in my chair 8 hours out the day, and that is not healthy for anyone. And the type of work I do, you can just get drowned into it that you forget to get up and do something. So I want to focus on doing some type of exercising this year to make sure I continue to take care of myself. Also, taking care of myself, I have to be able to focus on self-care this year. I know last year I started doing little things here and there, but this year I really want to do more self-care, just because like I just said a minute ago, the type of work that I do is stressful, it's high volume. When you're dealing with helping into people, it can really take a toll on you. So I want to make sure that I focus on myself, with making sure I'm doing little things throughout the day to take care of myself while I'm working, as well as days when I'm not working. So that's one of the goals. I'm also trying to keep positive mindset, positive vibes, and just have a whole overall positive life this year, because last year it was so daunting. Just like I said, with the pandemic, we're not able to have FTEs to be able to bring on more staffing, so the work is really a high volume, and it can be overwhelming. So I want to try to stay positive this year, to make sure that I don't ingest that negativeness this year, because I did it last year and it was not good and it wasn't healthy. So the goal this year is not to focus on it. And so you'll see where I did incorporate some inspirational quotes. So I'm going to put these inspirational quotes down, just layer them down, to remind myself what my expectation is for this year, so I can keep that positive mindset, you know, for especially at while I'm working, because like I said, it's a full-time work from home, and so you're already in the home. You don't want that negativeness just traveling throughout the home. So I want to just keep these inspirational quotes in front of me, so that way I can keep going back to it and say, okay, yes, this is why X, Y, and Z. So that's basically it. I'm going to stop talking right now and just go ahead and let you all just finish looking at the remaining of the vision board. And at the end, you'll just basically see the final outcome of my 2022 vision board. Thanks.